Very good evening to everyone present here. A lot of you have been part of my journey, part of my success. So I have you to thank for putting me in a position where I can actually make myself of use to the universe. This, this really has been uh, one of my most exciting, most passionate ventures. I don't want to really call it a venture. It is a transition. When I was young and people asked me what I wanted to be, I had no idea. Um, when I became an actor, I thought that is what I wanted to be and that was going to be my calling. With God's grace, I got a lot from that milieu. But today, if you ask me what I want to be, I really want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. And I couldn't have done it better through this medium, through the Shilpa Shetty channel, which I'm here to launch today. This, I have discovered over the years, is my calling. And it really comes from the heart. Because the universe has given me so much, it's time for me to give back. And I thought there's no other better medium than going digitally to be able to, for people to have access and the right kind of knowledge about health. So when people compliment me and say that, oh my God, Shilpa, how do you look like this? Or you look the same, and how do you do it? I tried writing the book and I thought that would, suffice. And then through my Instagram, I realized that people actually follow it to see what I eat. And I try to, encourage people to make that modification, that lifestyle modification. And then I realized I'll have to kind of make it bigger and magnify it. And then the idea came about with this that we are launching today. It's all encompassing. We've got 3 themes: the art of balance, the art of strengthening, and the art of loving food. Most people think that fitness is only about going to a gym or have some kind of regimen in terms of whether it be cardio or weight training or Pilates and Zumba and that's it. वो कर लिया तो मतलब उनको लगता है कि weight loss होगा. But what most people don't understand is that if you don't pay attention to what you are putting within you, or what goes into you, is what actually makes a big difference to your body, to your mental health. That needs to be focused upon. So it's 70% food and nutrition and 30% some kind of activity. It can even mean walking up the stairs, okay? But if your food is right, and if you have knowledge on that, you will be able to achieve the kind of fitness you want. And I'm not talking about any kind of size. What could be fit to you may not be fit to someone else. But let me explain the meaning of fitness. Fitness is when you feel healthy, when you are able to be agile. Someone who's 104 kilos, if he can do burpees, he's fit. If someone is able to, if someone is very, very fit and who can't sit down like this, he's not fit, mister. And a lot of people can't do it. People have issues going down on their haunches because we're just leading such fast-paced lives that we have no time to look inward, to think about the kind of food we're putting into our system, to read the back of labels, to take a breath of fresh air, or even chew our food. How many of you even chew your food more than 20 times? We don't. So it's kind of my way of making people realize that these are the things that should be given importance. I've embarked on this journey. I really hope I'm able to achieve. I really think I would have achieved some kind of success if I have one person coming to me and saying that, you know, Shilpa, I didn't give up because of you. So I really hope that happens with the Shilpa Shari channel. It really comes from the heart, and I really hope all the people from the media help me achieve this dream, because um, this is the only thing that I don't want to make money out of. I really mean it. I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. I know eventually everything makes money and all of that, but I really hope to see a healthier universe. And I don't want to restrict it to just saying India. I think it's everyone's inalienable right to be healthy and to have the right kind of knowledge. It's quite scary, the kind of knowledge that is out there sometimes. Most of the websites that I open, I want to shut immediately because it's quite disorienting. So for someone who can't afford a gym, who can't afford a nutritionist, who doesn't have the time uh, after looking after her family and her child to go to, to go to a place and work out, you can actually just log on, whether it be my website, whether it be YouTube, and it's all accessible on the phone. I've just made it easy, and I've kept it simple, and I really hope this is going to be possible. I think I've said it all, so you don't need to ask me any questions.
No.
मेरा सवाल ये था कि इंडस्ट्री के लोग कितना जज करते हैं, क्योंकि नॉर्मली
तेल लगाने गए यार लोग. Doesn't matter यार. That's what I'm saying. See, that's the first thing I did when I did, I think, Nach Baliye. That was the first outing I had after my pregnancy. That was 8 months after I delivered. तो मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी. ये ऑफ ही हो गया मैं, अच्छा. बहुत डरी हुई थी. कपड़े फिट नहीं हो रहे थे. I was a size 16. I was a size 16. I was double the size that I have ever been in my life. And as I went through the show, obviously जब काम भी कर रहे हैं तो वो भी एक I think that also gives you enough inspiration to kind of, or a goal, for you to set कि अभी यार ऐसे तो नहीं जा सकते. I think you just have to be responsible. Some do it for their loved ones, some do it for their work. I think you have to do it for yourself. I think first and foremost, you have to give yourself importance. And most importantly, I think the only thing that I want you all to take back home from this is please start chewing your food properly. That's where most ailments have started to happen in our lives, because we're not chewing our food properly. Don't gulp down water. So if you go with the philosophy of eat your water and chew your water and drink your food, that is something that will really go a very, very long way. And breathe, guys. None of you are breathing. You're not just living. We are not breathing. Like, inhale, exhale. None of us are breathing. Our chest is not opening up. There is no positivity going in. There's no negativity coming out. It's all there. It's all becoming into this big volcano, और फिर एक दिन तुम लोग सब फट जाओगे. So we need to breathe, guys. And trust me, if you start focusing on these two things, you will be so much more happier, so much more successful. You will be, mentally light. You'll not be fighting with your husband. You will make him better food. Chew. And keep your mobile phones away when you guys are eating your food.
Shilpa, I just wanted to ask you, like, how's your routine? How does your day start? And
Don't ask.
You have a cheat day, so you can just share something about that.
The cheat day, though, everybody knows about it because it's on Instagram now. My husband is fed up because anytime I eat something, I make him record. I say, record karo. ये बड़ा पंगा हो गया. I said, no, I want people to see that I eat. लोगों को लगता है कि अरे यार बहुत वर्कआउट करती है, ये तो खाती नहीं है. No, guys, it doesn't work like that. So,
on a cheat day, what all do you eat?
I eat everything. I love food. Anybody who knows me will know that I love food. I am a Mangalorean. I love mutton. I
Fish.
love biryani, I love fish fry. I eat it. और सबसे बड़ी ये प्रॉब्लम होती है लोगों की गिल्ट. गिल्ट में आधे लोग मर गए. गिल्ट के साथ प्लीज मत जियो. I think that's the worst thing to happen. And when guilt seeps in with the emotion of food, my God, that's even worse. So never live with guilt. अगर आपको कुछ खाना है, please खा लीजिए. Never live with guilt. Think that you're going to burn it out. So I eat. Of course, I'm human. There are some days that I have 2 cheat days, or sometimes 2.5.
Vinod sir is nodding.
Yeah, but I never feel guilty about it. I'll work out more and then he kills me more. So, and it's, see, you have to think about, I obviously have to think about, you know, if I eat that, how am I going to, you know, be able to inspire other people? So for me, I feel now on, this is my duty. I have taken this on as my duty. This is part of my karma. And that's how I want to continue to live the rest of my life. Some people may not like it. Some people may like it. Some people may follow it. Some people may not. Whatever is their karam, and whatever I can do, I'm going to promise I'm going to do through this channel. And that's that, guys. I've said so much.